How to limit FPS in NVIDIA Control Panel. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's jump right into this tutorial. To begin with, you can open up your PC. Now, right-click on your PC. From all of the device, you need to select the option of NVIDIA Control Panel. Once you select it, you will see a display like this. In your left-hand side, you should see the option of 3D settings. Select the option of Manage 3D settings. Then you would have such option of Global Settings or Program Settings. By tapping on Global Setting, this will be applied with all the games and applications. If you select the program setting, this allows you to set a custom FPS limit for a specific game or application. Since we want to apply it to all games and application, we will select the global settings. At the bottom under Specify the setting for the program, you will find the option of Max Frame Rate. You can select up to the drop-down icon and select your desired FPS. I have set it to 60. Now all you have to do is tap on the Apply button, and just like that, you'll be able to limit the FPS using the NVIDIA Control Panel. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.